Hi everybody, so this is going to be our daily agenda for Thursday, March 18th. Today is going to be odds. Sorry about that, folks. So for today, you guys are going to be working on Quill. And then I'm going to have you guys working on the earliest communication systems. For my 3-4, I'm going to go ahead and have you guys work on starting to annotate that earliest communication system. I'm actually going to have you guys identify some of the methods. I'm going to have you guys highlight them. That's just for 3-4. Everybody else, we're going to be working on Quill. For the main class, nothing new. You guys are going to still continue to work on this earliest communications systems thinking map. For my 3-4, you guys are going to actually annotate the article. So this article, The Evolution of Storytelling, that we read together yesterday, you guys are actually going to annotate it. So I'm going to have you guys go ahead and highlight and find the different methods of communication that people have used for your 10 minutes. And then when we get to work on this, you guys will have your methods and you can just put them in. All you have to do is work on your details and move over your depth and complexity icons. So that's what we're going to be working on today. As always, if you guys have questions, please let me, Ms. Arroyo, or Ms. Reyes know. We'll be able to help you guys out with that. For our exit ticket, I want you guys to reflect on why we utilize so many different communication systems. Why are there so many different ways that humans communicate? As always, I'll see you guys in class.